What's good, YouTube? Real quick, I'm just going to tell you that instead of buying the different colors of the micro conversion kit for your Glock, why not DIY this for yourself? Little small project. All you got to do is get the paint colors of your choice, and then you can paint your own micro conversion kit. So what I did is I painted it black first, then I let it dry. Then I went back over it, but I hit it lightly with a silver mirror finish spray paint. And it turned out like this. So tell me if you guys like it. And if I ever decide to change the color, I can always do that. But this is my micro conversion kit. And I changed the color on my own. It used to be tan. I can show you right here that it used to be tan. Desert tan. But once again, I love all the different colors of this, so if I'm feeling a different color, I'll just go ahead and hit it with another color. It's just that simple. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you guys like this. Then I'm going to show you my other project.